Alright friends, today we are going to be starting our self-portrait project. A self-portrait is a picture that you draw of yourself. So as you are drawing your picture today, you need to make sure that you are thinking about what it is that you look like and choosing your colors accordingly. So to start our self-portrait, we are going to put a large oval in the middle of our paper, and this is going to be the shape of our head. One thing that I want you to be very careful of is that you are drawing lightly with your pencil. You don't want to push hard with your pencil because we are going to be erasing the top of our oval in just a little bit. So we want to make sure that when we erase, that line goes away. So I'm going to start my oval nice and big, just like this. The next step is we will be adding our neck and shoulders to our self-portrait. So I'm going to put a line down on both sides, just like this, and then that line is going to come out and curve down off the bottom of our paper. Come out and curve down off the bottom. The next thing we will do is we're going to put our ears on our self-portrait. Our ears are going to go right here in the middle of our head, and your ears should be about 1/3 the distance of your head. So if you were to divide your head into 3 equal sections, your ears will go right here in that middle section. So I'm going to start by putting an ear here, and then over on this side, I'm going to make one that matches, just like that. The next thing we will do is we will add our eyes on the imaginary line that connects the top of our ears. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line here, but you do not need to do this. This line right here is where your eyes are going to go. We're going to erase that line in just a few minutes. And to make your eyes, we're actually going to make 3 shapes. One is a nice oval shape, like this. Do the same thing on this side. The second is a circle that touches the top and the bottom. We'll do the same thing on this side. And then a circle right in the middle of that. Just like so. After we have that, I'm going to go ahead and erase that imaginary line so that we don't see that in our artwork anymore. And remember, you did not need to draw that line. That was just a guide for me to be able to show you in your video. The next step to finish off our eyes is we're going to make a curved line above for our eyelid, and then we're going to make our eyebrow, which will curve above your eyes like this. Okay? Once you have your eyes done, we are going to pretend that there's another imaginary line down here that connects the bottom of our ears. Okay, the bottom of our ears right here. And again, you do not need to draw that line. I am just drawing that line so that you can see for my demonstration. This line is where our nose is going to end. So our nose actually starts way up here between our eyes, and it will curve down and come right about to where that line is. And put another. Go ahead and make that a little bit nicer. And this is why we always use a light line when we're drawing, so that it's easy to erase if we make mistakes, because everybody makes mistakes and needs to erase sometimes. Once we have our nose on, Let me go ahead and erase this line. Next, it will be we will be ready to make our mouth. Your mouth is going to be halfway between your nose and your chin. So about halfway will be right around here. So that's going to be where my lips touch. So I'm going to put a curved line here. I'm going to make a curved line that drops down lower, and then a curved line that connects at the top. And there we have our lips. Once we have all of those things done, that might be as far as we get in our first art time. In fact, I think we'll stop there for today. We will do the next steps, which of course will be our hair. We're actually going to put a hat on top of our self-portrait as well, and we will make a scarf so that it looks like we are in a winter scene in our self-portrait. So we will stop here for today and start again next time.